Long-term investment has proven to be the most efficient way to maximize your money's growth potential, as it allows you to ride the ups and downs of the cryptocurrency market. For example, if you had bought Bitcoin, BTC, in 2020, you would still be in more than 400% profit, despite the crypto market surviving a bearish cycle. A long-term investment is also more cost-effective than regularly buying and selling assets. Considering the glaring benefits of long-term investment over the short term, now we discuss the new and existing crypto coins that have the potential to yield maximum returns over the long term. Now in this video, we'll cover all the coins which are always good to hold for a long term. Before going further into the topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Chainlink. Chainlink launched in 2012. Chainlink has remained one of the most used crypto networks, as it provides other projects with real-time data from off-blockchain to on-blockchain smart contracts via nodes and oracles. Chainlink is building what it refers to as the world's first blockchain oracle network. Oracles are third-party entities that connect blockchains with external systems. Basically, Chainlink is blockchain's connection to the outside world. Chainlink has enjoyed significant adoption, but it looks set to rise as the outside world gets more connected to blockchain projects. Chainlink is in a good position for growth, earning Link its native token, a place on the top cryptos to buy for long-term investors. XRP. XRP, formerly known as Ripple, is one project always strategically placed for massive adoption, as it addresses one of the core fundamentals of why crypto was invented. Ripple has built the biggest digital technology and payment processing in crypto. On the other hand, XRP is used to facilitate financial settlements on Ripple, including fiat currencies and other major cryptocurrencies. Polkadot, DOT. With a market cap of over $7.46 billion as of April 3rd, Polkadot has become one of the best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy since its launch in 2020. It's not only a cryptocurrency, but also a blockchain network where developers can build innovative decentralized systems. Polkadot is built to connect various independent blockchains into a single unified network, and even create new chains. The integration allows users to access the network's proof-of-stake validation of security and transactions, and makes it easier to transfer digital assets like apps and tokens across blockchains. A recent update facilitates communication and asset transfers between Polkadot parachains, opening the network up to new use cases. The developer has a number of other upgrades in the works, all of which can be enabled by Polkadot's on-chain governance community once development, testing, benchmarking, and auditing are complete, according to a timeline on the Polkadot website. Although Polkadot must compete with Ethereum and Cardano, its early entry into smart contracts gives it an edge some analysts expect it to maintain. Collateral Network, Colt. Starting off the list is Collateral Network, a new crypto project that has caught the attention of crypto investors. Collateral Network aims to revolutionize the $4.5 trillion global asset-backed lending industry. The Collateral Network will perfect non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that are backed by borrowers' real-world assets such as real estate, cars, jewelry, and others. These NFTs would be given the value of the assets they are backed by. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin may be at the top of the list in your search for the best long-term crypto investments. Its crypto token, BTC, was priced at $500 in mid-2016 and is now valued at $26,113 as of June 13, 2023. Its market cap is over $500 billion, with a year-to-date return of almost 60%. The Bitcoin network uses blockchain technology and a proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism, so it's highly secure. Moreover, it's one of the few cryptocurrencies currently used for real-life transactions. Aptos, APT. Using the key elements of the former DM blockchain and Move, Meta-developed projects, Aptos brings speed and scalability to Layer 1 blockchains that have never been seen before. Aptos relies on parallel execution to handle multiple transactions concurrently, translating to faster processing times as a single failed transaction won't halt the whole chain. Launched only in October 2022, Aptos has already become a top 30 crypto project ranked by market capitalization. Given that APT is still in its early stages, this is one of the most promising cryptos an investor can hold in their portfolio for the long term. Avalanche AVAX. Avalanche Ecosystem Token AVAX earns its place on this list by virtue of the ambitious goals of the Avalanche blockchain and the dedicated team behind the project pursuing those goals. Ava Labs, the developers of Avalanche, see a future in which most commercial entities and even many individuals will want their work on their own blockchains. Thus, Avalanche allows people to use subnets to deploy their own mini blockchains on top of its network. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin is also among the top long-term crypto investments, and the Binance crypto exchange is one of the most popular worldwide. BNB is used to pay trading fees on the exchange. Additional utilities of the native token include payment processing, travel payment, and more. Between 2017 and March 2022, BNB's price increased by 410,000%. Today, the price of BNB is $235 as of June 13, 2023. Its market cap is $36 billion, and the year-to-date return is close to 6%. Republic Note. Another new crypto that is worth keeping an eye on is Republic Note, a platform that lets you invest in companies and assets you like without directly buying their stocks, while allowing you to earn profits from these assets. Republic Note, via its parent company, Republic Capital, invests in these projects, and by holding the Note token, users can choose which asset they want to back. When the Republic dividend pool of an asset reaches $2 million, the proceeds are shared among token holders on a pro rata basis. Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that introduced and popularized the AMM, automated market maker model. This unique design removes the need for order books, providing an elegant way for swapping between different tokens directly on the blockchain without relying on intermediaries. The Uniswap protocol is decentralized, and anyone can create liquidity pools for any token. This means that the newest crypto assets are often traded on Uniswap before they make their way on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. The model introduced by Uniswap has been adopted by many decentralized exchanges on different blockchain platforms. However, Uniswap remains the most active decentralized exchange in terms of trading volume. Uniswap is governed by holders of the UNI token, who can submit and vote for proposals. UNI was distributed to past users of the Uniswap protocol via an airdrop in 2020, and the token is now available for purchase on a variety of both decentralized and centralized trading platforms. Hedera Hashgraph (HBAR). Hedera is more than a blockchain network seeking where individuals can transact and deploy decentralized applications, but also where a group of businesses can oversee the software. The project is built around its unique hashgraph consensus and Byzantine fault-tolerant system that is fast, fair, and highly secure. Hedera's consensus can process up to 10,000 transactions per second, making it a great option for developers and businesses building apps that can scale for millions of users while continuing to perform. Toncoin. Toncoin is a unique community-driven project dedicated to building a scalable and shareable blockchain network. The project was originally built by Telegram developers. Toncoin is chasing mass adoption differently, allowing individuals to send, buy, and receive cryptocurrencies via chat. Yes, sending crypto on the Ton network is as easy as chatting via Telegram. Because it is integrated into Telegram, makes the project even more practical. In the future, users will be able to access a decentralized crypto exchange, DEX, and a non-custodial wallet via Telegram. The easy use of crypto cannot get past what Toncoin is building. Ton, its native token, will power the entire ecosystem, giving a great sentiment for long-term investors. Now that's all about coins that give fruitful outcomes for holding long-term. If you find this video useful, show some kindness and thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Take care until next time with another new topic. Stay happy, stay iconic. Goodbye till next time, stay tuned.